I'm Simone and I'm the treasurer of Horticulture Club, and one of the most important parts of horticulture is plug season, and I'm going to show you now how we first start preparing. And the first step is to get the trays ready, and first we need to count how many of the trays we actually need, and then we need to place our individual planters into the actual trays, since they're all individually like this. The second step of the process is filling the trays we just prepared with the actual pro-mix soil. And this is definitely the messiest step, so it's important to wear gloves and or wash your hands. This is the pro-mix soil that we use in the shop, and we scoop this soil with old coffee containers, and these are normally the perfect size to get a full cup that can fill the majority of the actual tray. And here is one right here that would be used.
Hi, I'm Katya, and today we're working on plugs. We just got like multiple trays in. They come in these little, what are they, like cubicles?
Yeah.
And then we poke them out with a pencil through the bottom. There's like this one's like breaking, so it's fine. There's this little hole in the bottom, and then it like pops out a cell, and then you take your like prepped trays, you make like a little hole with your finger, go like this. You can wet them with water if they're dry, and then you kind of just break them up a little to make the roots help them expand later on, and then you just shove them in there, and then you pack them in there, and then you could take like extra dirt if it's too low. It also helps with like moisture, and then just pack them in there, and then they're done. And then we just do that over and over. Okay, so this is a finished tray, and then once they grow and get fully sprouted, we can sell them to like the general community, like faculty in the school, some students I'm guessing, and then also we just use them for like educational things to learn about the different plants that we can propagate.
Hello. We ordered the plants earlier so that we can get a discount. They are transferred to larger trays so that they can grow bigger. These are all the plants that we are going to be growing over the next few months. We have many different types of plants, including flowers or herbs or vegetables. Celosia is a really special plant in this class. When it blooms, its flowers look just like the truffula trees from the Lorax or the trolls. That's why it's a favorite among us in this class.
Alright, so today we're going to show you guys some of the plants that we started back in February. It's now May. So here we have some Coleus Kong Rose. This is Vinca Valiant. This is some Vinca Vine. And then over here is Celosia.
Alright, so over here we have some Dusty Millers, which started growing in February and March, and it's now May. You can see here, these are basil, like you would use for cooking and stuff. And over here are sweet potato vines, and these are portulacas.
So these are the zinnias that we started growing in the winter, and it's now May. These will grow pretty tall, and we can use them in multiple horticulture displays all around the school.
And then the annuals, once they're ready to be propagated, we plant them in pots and put them around the school. These ones we did yesterday, and they're going to go in the cafeteria.